Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. If you're having problems with GTA the Trilogy, and you probably are, you've come to the right video. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, the GTA Trilogy right now is, well, it's a bit of a hot mess, and that is putting it relatively lightly. If you're one of the unfortunate people who have picked this up for PC, there is light at the end of the tunnel. It's a little bit of light, but there is some light there. Modders have been working their butts off to fix all of these issues and improve the games. Yes, you heard me correctly, modders are fixing these games. If you've never modded a game before, you're in for a treat here. It's relatively easy, relatively straightforward, and a lot of fun. It can change the game altogether. If you've played a previous game before and you're bored of it, you can get some extra enjoyment out of modding it. If you hate a game, you can mod it to make it enjoyable. And that's kind of what we're doing here. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to nexusmods.com. In the top right hand corner, there's a button here called Register. You'll definitely want to click that. There's two different types of accounts. There is a free account, and if you want to get started with it, just create a free account and go from there. Now, once you've got your account created, you're logged in and ready to go to the search bar here, switch this from mods to games, and then type in the name of the game you're looking for. We're checking out Grand Theft Auto. If you can see here, there are a bunch of different games, but we want Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy, so go ahead and click on it. From here, you're free to select whatever mods you're looking for. You can get stuff to fix the visuals in the game, to change things up. You can change the music up. You can add things that aren't normally in the game as well. It's entirely up to you. Here's an interesting mod, Make Los Santos Great Again, Vanilla Remix. If we scroll down a little bit, it will tell you a bit about the mod. This mod tries to mimic the look and feel of the original GTA San Andreas on PS2 by bringing back the old thick atmosphere, fog, and color palettes. And there's also screenshots provided so you know what you're actually getting into. And if we scroll down the page here, it'll tell you exactly how to install this mod. Some of the other mods, or fixes rather, are stuff like the Tough Nut fix, and there's also one for Better Rain. And there's also save files in here before very frustrating events. Now, some of these mods may require a program called Vortex in order to work. Vortex is 100% free and it's open source. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Feel free to download it. There are two different versions here. We have the standard version of Vortex, which is a one-click installer, very easy, very straightforward. Or there's a custom install location version. I usually go for this one, but feel free to choose whatever one you want. You have two options to choose from. I only have a free account here, so I click the slow download. If you are using Vortex, click on the introduction video here. It's less than 10 minutes long, and it'll give you all of the information you need to know to get started. This program is amazing. Now, as much as I'd like to show you how to mod these GTA games and show you before and after, I actually don't own them. This was one of the pre-orders that I stayed away from, and I'm really glad I did. But if you do have the games, check this out and hopefully it helps you out. At the end of the day here, you know things are pretty darn bad when modders are actively trying to fix these games. But anyways, that is all I've got for this video. It was more of a news video than a tutorial. It was a tiny bit of a tutorial here. I can't really do more because I don't own these games, but I'm doing the best I can to kind of help out where I can. I understand the frustration. I understand how much it sucks. And I understand the horrible state that these games are currently in. So hopefully this video was helpful for you in some way, shape, or form, or at least slightly entertaining. Let me know your thoughts about this Grand Theft Auto collection in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Have you not picked it up yet? Or are you just waiting until it's going to be fixed to start playing it? If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Thank you, everyone. Take care.